know why July 24th is a landmark date in the history of India? India was on the verge of an economic crisis so grave that it did not have enough dollars to pay for more than 3 weeks of oil imports. To avert this crisis, the 22nd Finance Minister of India had to change the trade policy overnight, and it is now famously called the LPG policy. Yes, we are talking about Dr. Manmohan Singh, who on July 24, 1991, ushered in the phase of liberalization, privatization and globalization that overhauled the Indian economy and reduced poverty. On this policy's 30th anniversary, I welcome you to the 5th episode of StockGro's podcast, Mind the Markets. If one word could describe everything that happened in the markets last week, it would be volatility. After starting the week in a sea of red, equity markets globally staged a V-shaped recovery on the last 3 days. While Nifty and Sensex ended at 15,856 and 52,975 respectively, Dow Jones went a step ahead to hit 35,000 for the first time. S&P and Nasdaq too hit record highs on good earnings from social media giants like Twitter and Snapchat. Monday's fears of inflation and the Delta variant were quickly set aside. Is Nifty's rally sustainable? Before getting to that, let's discuss Zomato's bumper listing a day sooner than expected at a 53% premium. On day 1, Zomato created history by joining other elite companies to have a market cap greater than 1 lakh crore rupees. What's more, Tatva Chintan IPO also created history with 180 times oversubscription, making it the second most subscribed IPO of 2021. To know if this IPO craze is all set to continue into next week, do watch out for the 3 new IPOs coming up, including Glenmark Life Sciences Limited. Speaking of craze, crypto markets were driven by bad news on regulation last week, and even Bitcoin briefly went below $30,000. But guess what? The crypto markets too staged a V-shaped recovery, all thanks to Elon Musk, who declared at a conference that his company SpaceX held Bitcoins on its balance sheet. Not only is Bitcoin back above $32,000 now, but the other crypto token Matic too is up over 50% from its weekly low. However, adding to the crypto conundrum, RBI Deputy Governor claimed at a conference that private cryptos have the potential to cause social and economic damage. And to counter this, the RBI is planning a central bank digital currency that can easily be controlled. Looks like the Government of India and RBI are not on the same page regarding cryptos. Coming back to equity markets, we witnessed some stellar results last week from JSW Steel, Jubilant FoodWorks, Yes Bank and Reliance. But the results of Bajaj Finserv were a disappointment. Next week continues to be a busy one as firms like Tata Motors, L&T and Happiest Minds plan to announce their results. Do note, Nifty has been stuck between 15,600 and 15,900 for a long time now. With a doji candle showing up on the charts, the last trading week of this month can be a bullish one, provided Nifty closes above 15,950. In short, Nifty's V-shaped recovery can be sustained only if it takes inspiration from Dow's outstanding performance on Friday and if domestic results continue to be positive. Until then, the word is to stay cautious below 16,000. Here is the final update for this week. As per SEBI, the number of DEMAT accounts in India increased 37% from 41 million to 55 million in the financial year 2021. All thanks to the bull markets. If you too want to cash in on this and the future bull markets, then sign up on StockGro's risk-free leagues and hone your trading skills. Use the link in the description below to start learning and earning. And in the meantime, also tell me in the comments which cryptocurrency you are most bullish on. Until next time, happy trading and investing. Sayonara.